Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MedCovert. My name is Monisri. I'm a third year MBBS student studying in Andhra Medical College. This is a vlog about my ENT postings. On the first day of posting, I got motivated and got up early. I packed my iPad, snacks and went to the beach, which is just 5 minutes away. Started studying marrow. Just this me time like this at the beach gives me so much happiness and peace. Studying for 1.5 hours. I went back to the hostel, had breakfast and rushed to the ENT ward. It is 20 minutes away from our college, so we reached there by 9:30. It's a OT day for our unit, so I got into my OT dress and went to the OT. It's quite nostalgic to be on the other side of the table because it is the same OT where I got my tonsillectomy done 5 years back. Next day was free day. Usually in third year MBBS we get taught only about tonsillitis, CSOM and DNS. So we got a lecture on DNS that day. Again it was OT day. We saw several cases like nasal polyp, CSOM treatment, tonsillectomy, massive radical mastectomy, etc. Septoplasty, tympanoplasty. Basically, the motive of third year MBBS ENT posting was to make us learn how to take the case taking of the 3 cases already mentioned, how the procedure goes on, which instruments are used, and also we have to learn through OP how to diagnose based on the symptoms, and we also have to know about the audiometry charts. Maybe we can learn so many things which can only be taught here, not through books. Again OT, the same room, the same me. Between the operations, when we got time, we got back to our room and I studied marrow for some time. Basically, I did the OT room tour to show you all what are present in the OT room. The injections, the microdips, the catheters. On another day, our sir told us to palpate the jugular-digastric node of the patients. We did that. These are all the instruments used. This is the pre-OP room where all the patients ready for surgery are kept here. This is tympanoplasty surgery wherein any perforated tympanic membrane is repaired. The last day we saw the pre-OP procedures. My ENT postings went very well. I learned so much. I suggest you to watch the marrow videos all the marrow videos before your posting so that it can help you throughout the posting. My evening time, I set up my table. Only that day I get motivation to read. And in that month, like April, we had formative assessment for forensic medicine. So I bought Essentials of Forensic Medicine by Narayan Reddy. As shown in my last ophthalmology posting video, I'll put it in the iCard. I'm continuing my violin classes. The clinical postings of ENT are very important for learning the subject. Finally, I went back home after all the posting was completed. Love the ENT posting. Hope I showed you something useful. Thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Medicovert Moni. Please turn on the notification bell